10,000 tick trap.
Pandas, pandas, pandas. I got bros in Atlanta, to some dope lean and a Fanta. Pandas, welcome to the stream. Welcome. We just finished a pre-market show. Always have a great time there. Make sure you guys scalp that like button. Make sure you guys scalp that like button. Good morning, everybody. Bill 7, good morning. Hugh, good morning. Welcome. Zahari, good morning. Welcome. Zahari says, finally got them to sign and got my funded account. Now I have 6 days to pass it. 6 days to pass it? You got to trade at least 10 days. before you can make a withdrawal request. But congratulations. Mike Richardson, good morning. John, welcome from Texas. From Texas. I've never been to Texas. I need to go, huh? Facundo, good morning. Mike Richardson, good morning. Mo7, good morning. Kyle Lubers, welcome, guys. Traitorous Chick, welcome. South Kakalaki. Mo7, good morning. Order flow, guys. Anybody know how to get rid of the go-to plan sections? Kyle Lubers, Powell speaking at 10:05. Yes. Jackson Hole today. He'll be speaking at 10:05. Today might be kind of crazy. Who knows what he says? Mo7, like button, scout for +1 points. Appreciate that. Iceberg Blue, good morning. Donald Smith from Texas, rooting for your Little Leaguers to beat California in the World Series Championship tomorrow. 3:30. All right. I have no idea what that is, but I hope they win for your sake. Frank Angelo, good morning. AQN. How do you put that panda avatar? Love it. Thanks. Lawrence, good morning. Kyle Lubers. Boomer Sooner. Sweet Onions, welcome. Exponential, welcome, guys. From Cape Cod. All right. Okay. Fabricio. Good morning. Zahari. Well, I can trade after hours. One minute to make it count, but I have this last week to make big money. All right. Hopefully you do well. Phoenix, what's up, Panda Brother? Good morning. Panda Brother. GC Burke, good morning. Welcome, guys. Thanks for joining, everybody. Make sure you guys drop a GM in the chat. Scalp that like button. The Little League. All right. Hope they do well. We got a trap trade setting up here. I'm not sure if it's worth taking, though. I mean, you got to bounce off this trend line, so you will consider this the first break of trend, in my opinion. So, I don't know. Or you can consider something like this. Break a trend, new high. And now looking for a trap trade. That could also be the case. Or spike in channel. Spike. The reason why I don't think it's spike in channel is because, yeah. Trap trade right off the bat to come back to the previous day's close. Today is Friday, and Jerome Powell will be speaking at 10:05, so we may be choppy until then. I don't think it's going to be like when Jerome Powell speaks for FOMC, where he released, like, basically there's like a press conference, but there's also a FOMC statement that's released all at once. So you have all the algorithms, institutions, processing all that, you know, in a matter of split seconds. And Jerome Powell now, I think it's just speaking. So maybe he can. I love to kind of watch him speak and then just watch the market just basically rise when he says something dovish and just plummets when he says anything hawkish. He literally, but with his voice alone, controls the markets. That man has the most he has the most power in the world. I think he's one of the most powerful men in the world. Him and Dr. Fauci. Dr. Fauci. Dr. Fauci was one of the most powerful men in the world. I don't think he is any longer, though. I think he did. I think he did a while back. Timely retirement. Timely retirement, huh? Amazing. But Jerome Powell, I think, is the most powerful. I think he's more powerful than Biden, to be honest. When Biden speaks, no one understands him. When Jerome Powell speaks, the markets move. When Biden speaks, people make memes. I don't know. It's crazy sometimes. The gaffes. It's just it's incredible. I think he needs some lion's mane. I think he needs like concentrated lion's mane injected directly into his veins. By the way, I am taking lion's mane every single morning here. The nootropics. What is that? What does nootropics mean? Nootropics. What's the definition? Nootropics as cognitive enhancers. National Institutes of Health.gov. Let's read this. Nootropics, also known as smart drugs, are a diverse group of medicinal substances whose action improves human thinking, learning, and memory, especially in cases where these functions are impaired. Whoa, nootropics. Are they real though? I mean, obviously like Ritalin. That must be a nootropic of some sort. Oh, there's a compound. Ooh. There's actually compounds for nootropics. Oh, interesting. Oh, that's so funny. Interesting. There is a compound called dianol, and it says that many nutritional supplements contain DMAE, which is I guess short for dianol, in the form of the salt of tartaric acid, bitartrate salt. Small amounts can also be obtained from eating fish, especially salmon and so you're saying if I eat enough salmon, I can become a genius. All right. I got it. Easy. This is, by the way, this is .gov, right? This is like the government, the government instituted like research. I'm not, it's not just Wikipedia. It's actually sanctioned by the government. This website. Now I need to know: does lion's mane contain any of these compounds? Does lion's mane contain nootropics? All right, Forbes magazine. They can't lie, right?
Tick trap.
Forbes magazine cannot lie, right? It's illegal for them to lie. So let's see. Which nootropics? What compounds does it have? Yeah, this is so generic. So generic. I need to know the exact compound that's in lion's mane that helps my brain grow right now. Lion's mane has been particularly effective in stimulating nerve growth factor in the brain. It regenerates our neurons. I don't know. Am I becoming smarter? Hopefully. We'll see. Hey, pandas, you know how we can know if these nootropics work? How profitable can I be? How profitable can I be now? We are seriously doing well right now. We are up $1,864-ish on our accounts. And we got 4 accounts. That's not bad. That's not bad. Yesterday I had like 1,000+ day. Let me go over my trades yesterday. Market's about to open, by the way. 10 seconds. Took a couple of trades yesterday. Super strong downtrend. And then so I took the trap to the downside. Of course it fails. And I get stopped out. But I took another trade, second entry short on the 5-minute chart. That works out for a swing. Making it for all the losses plus more here. And I took a big mama here on the 5-minute. And that was my day. Daily chart. How insane is this, pandas? How insane is this? You got an inside-outside bar. If you thought the day before yesterday was crazy, just nonstop buying bull bar, you're like, this is impossible price action. Yesterday was even crazier. was even crazier. It was always in short, sell the close market. Oh my god. That's insane. Remember, we triggered this trap on the daily chart, which could really move things down. Quite a strong move up right now, though. Okay, so that's the second entry long. Very interesting. It makes me feel like I need to figure out where this trend line really is. I don't know. It's hard to really. I don't know. It looks like something like this. What can I say? You got break a trend new high. Okay. Oh, I see. I don't know. We could have a strong bull trend day today. Who knows? Really, anything can happen. Remember, Jerome Powell is speaking at 10, so don't try to get too ahead of yourself here. How much DMA is in bamboo? DMAE or whatever it's called. DMEA. What was it called? It's that compound. Whoa! India landed on the moon? Is that like a city in India or something? What, is it real? Is India setting up a call center on the moon? Oh man, can you open Apex accounts on the moon? Maybe that's why they're maybe moving there. Literally, India went to the moon, huh? Did they really? India moon landing. Is this real? Is this real? Why are they going to the moon right now? They should just focus on like fixing their entire country. Wow. All right, cool. First country to ever land on the moon. That's just wild. That is wild. What? India just landed on the moon? Like, kind of like, who cares? Like, okay, good job. Well, like, we're sending rovers to Mars. We're like, oh, we landed on the moon. Hey Panda, how strict do you think Apex is about the 30% rule? I calculated it and I'm about a few hundred off, but I already have my 10 trading days. How strict are they? I think it depends. If it's your first withdrawal, they may be strict. They may bring it up. If it's like your 5th, 6th withdrawal, I don't think they care at all. The Russians crashed in the same area. Well, I guess that shows that India's better than Russia at math. I mean, I bet you India also made their spacecraft way cheaper too. Indians are so smart. It's crazy. Like, you know, Good Will Hunting. It's about like I believe like an Indian mathematician. He literally like grew up with not learning anything, like no education whatsoever, but he just knew math. Like, and he knew like complex theories, and it's incredible. Like, I believe Good Will Hunting is based off him. Like, he basically was a nobody. He just was a genius. Also, they're like some of the best chess players in the world. Was they just finished one of the chess tournaments recently, and it was like Magnus Carlsen, of course, #1, playing against Prague, who's an Indian. And it's like, it's crazy. It's just crazy. They also have billions of people, so I don't know. Jason Simpson said, "Wrong movie you're thinking of, but close." No, it's the right movie. I'm very well versed in Good Will Hunting. Like Will, he basically was like a compilation of a couple mathematicians, but I think the main one was an Indian mathematician. One of my favorite movies of all time. I watch it at least once a year, a couple times a year probably. I watch Good Will Hunting. I watch Shawshank. Um, I watch I watch Limitless sometimes. It's fun. I think it's a fun movie. You know, it's a feel good movie. For some reason, randomly, I watch Lucky Number 11. I really like that movie. I don't know why, and it's so funny because like Josh Hartnett, he disappeared from the movie scene, and now he's like all of a sudden making a comeback, and I have no idea why.
10,000 tick trap.
Jason says it's called The Man Who Knew. Yeah, that's the guy that Good Will Hunting is based off. That movie is a movie dedicated to the Indian mathematician, but that's the guy who they based Good Will Hunting off of as well. Kyle Luber's account number 19 just passed. Congratulations. All right, what's going on? What is going on here, pandas? Are we finding a setup here? Are we trying to go long? I'm hesitant to go long, but we got two bull bars above the 20 MA on the 5-minute chart. Big gap on the 5-minute as well. My first instinct is always try to fill that gap, but we got two bull bars above it. The 20 MA. I mean, look at this. This is crazy. Look at this. Insane move. That's pretty rare. I've seen this happen maybe once or twice before. It doesn't happen very often, actually. So I was not ready for it. I've watched clips of it. It always like appears on my my YouTube algorithm. But yeah, I'll take a look. Why not? Raminujan was his name. Yep. Well, I watched the Ocean series. I love the Ocean series. I think it's so fun. I think the acting's great. I think it's just fun, playful, entertaining. And it's about gambling. Come on. You got all these A-list actors all in one spot. And you got Matt Damon. Maybe I just like Matt Damon a lot.
10,000 tick trap.
All right. I mean, can you blame me for wanting to find a trap trade here? Or should I go long on the second entry long here? Do you like apples? How do you like them apples? Trap trade here. I'm tempted. I'm such a sucker for these. Coming at the top of the... But we don't have enough room to the bottom of this channel. Pandas! It's such a weird channel. I don't know. Second entry long. I don't know. Okay, it looks good. The second entry long looks pretty good here. Maybe spoke too soon. Might trap you here. Though I like the trap trade, I just I don't know. Something doesn't feel right about this. Something doesn't feel or look right about this right now. It feels a little too much in the middle of the 20 EMA. I think that's the main problem. For the content. Let's get a little pullback here if we can. A little retracement. I'll take the retracement here. So we risk less. Our target's easier to hit. Plus I'm a genius. What can I say? It's the lion's mane. Wait. Hold up. Am I getting tick shotted? Hold up. Stop. Stop that right now. Stop that right now. Don't celebrate too early, pandas. That's today's lesson. Don't celebrate too early. What is this? Oh my god, no! Don't celebrate too early, pandas. That's today's lesson. Oh god. Oh, I don't like that. Diamond cojones. Diamond cojones right now. Cojones made out of pure diamonds. Oh boy, do I want to skunk this? Looks like a trading range maybe. Oh boy, should I skunk this? This does not feel good. Don't celebrate too early, pandas. Oh my trap triggered, or the trap failed here. Oh my
10,000 tick trap.
Just skunked it, pandas. I skunked it. I should have held. What in the world? What is that? It looks like it might work out for you now. It looks really good. At least to work out in the original position here. Pandas. Skunked that. Skunked it. Oh, good skunk. Amazing skunk, panda. Best skunk of 2023. Best skunk of 2023, August 25th. Best skunk. Oh my god, pandas. I'm a genius. I'm a genius. They should make a movie about panda. Oh, wow, pandas. Pandas. What a skunk. Skunk of the year. Perhaps skunk, maybe even skunk of the day. Wow. That's amazing. Oh my god. Yeah, actually, you're still safe, though. Technically, you're still safe. But at this point, this is so choppy, you just stay away from this. Technically, you didn't get stopped out. You get stopped out one tick above this signal bar. And now you got stopped out. Panda, skunk of the hour. Amazing. Amazing, pandas. Even with this second, with another attempt down, pandas. Now we got a second entry short. I'm just sitting on my pause here. This is way too confusing. Jackson Hole, member, Jerome Powell starts to speak. I should assume this was going to get a little funky. But what a skunk. What a skunk. Actually, I might not be able to come up with my 2 points. It actually does hit the 2-point mark. But that's close. That's cutting it very close. Hey, I'm not complaining. Oh, you know what? Definitely didn't, because it shot down here, and I would have got filled, but I come out with my break even. Actually, wait, what just happened? Come in here. Oh, it does touch it. I remember. Okay, yes. I'm going crazy. I got tick shotted. I basically got tick shotted there. Comes back to the top of the trading range. Those new tropics, pandas. Those new tropics. That lion's mane. That panda's mane. Elephant tusk. Lil RN asks, have you ever wanted to learn Kung Fu? No, never. Never. Hugh, it's not your fault. Probably the most compelling scene in all of cinema. Wow. All right. Sitting on my pause. Maybe till Jackson Hole. I don't know. But jeez, what a skunk of the minute. How does Panda know when to skunk? The truth is, pandas, I have no idea. All I know is that if my trade ever reverses and I can come out break even, I typically try to. Ooh, wait, just coming top of the trading range, back to the bottom of the trading range. That's nasty. That's nasty. Might as well just buy here with a limit order, huh? But the 10,000 tick chart looks like it could be slightly bearish with the L4 setup. What's my 5-minute doing? 5 minutes is just overlapping bars. Signaling perhaps trading range for now. 10,000 tick chart. Right, we have the L4 set up. Right, 4 pushes up. Reverse could be strong push down. Bottom of the trading range, maybe back to the top of the trading range. Truly, this may be just bouncing back and forth until... Should I, pandas? Should I? Huh. Will, I've never wanted to learn Kung Fu. That's my cousin. Kung Fu Panda's my cousin. I actually I took some time to learn like mixed martial arts, Brazilian jiu-jitsu. And some call it kinetic chess. BJJ Panda. You're right, it doesn't. That's why they never made a movie about it. Hugh, actually, I didn't catch that, but that's pretty funny. It was like, was it like the TA or something? Should I just buy with a limit order here, Pandas? Limit order buy, hold for 2 points, risk 2 to gain 2. I can't. I'm so scared. I'm so scared. I am just not used to like trading with limit orders on ranges. It's just so scary. It's so scary for me. I just don't ever want to lose a trade, and I just feel like you have to be really okay losing trades. Buying limit orders, scale in one time. Just not ready for it. I'm not ready for the big boy pants. I'm not ready for the major leagues. Trap trade, maybe. Maybe. It's just so congested. The market cycle is
10,000
telling
tick
me
trap.
to stay away for now. This trap may work out though. I feel like more like trading range though, price action, more than anything. Like I'd rather go long here. Actually, I much rather go long here. I just don't know though, to be honest. Trading range indicator on a 2000 tick chart. Also know that news is kind of, the market's waiting for news. So oftentimes you see this type of price action. I typically don't like care about news, but sometimes it does help, right, to kind of set expectations in terms of the market
trap.
cycle. Definitely the main thing about news is make sure you're just not in a trade during news, because that could be volatile. It's so volatile, it can bust your account so fast. I'll take a failed trap trade here, in fact, if we get it. I just don't know. It just seems really sideways, so I want to continue what the market's been doing. 5-minute chart, right, bouncing off the 20 MA. 10,000 tick chart, actually setting up for a second entry long here. It's wacky, but it is second entry long. A, B, C, right? First pullback, first entry, second pullback, second entry long. Failed trap, I'll consider that. Okay, trap does trigger with a really nice signal bar. Again, I don't feel comfortable taking it just because this trading range we've been in. I'll take a failed trap. Back to the top of the trading range. If we break this low, I'm no longer interested in going long. Right, I only want that higher low here. Could also be setting itself for a second entry short. But this way I know, like, I'm going with a retracement actually, if we can get one. If we trigger this, I'm going to retracement back to the bottom of the trading range. I might be asking too much for here. In this trade, back to the bottom of the trading range. I'll put it here. If it makes a new low, it makes a new low, I'm out. It's a failed trap trade with a deep retracement. Only 2-point risk. Trading range, it's gonna get me, huh? It's all good. I thought the risk was worth it. Small risk, 2 points. Back to the top of the trading range, which is pretty good. It might even tick shot me here. Thinking trading range until the news. But now we're starting to show bearishness. That's why I don't trade trading ranges, pandas. That's why. Jeez. Even with a failed trap trade, I waited for that setup too. Ends up being a nice push down. Right? If you took this short, it's good because you didn't get stopped out here. Even though it does crazy trap here. Goodness gracious. All right. H47. I might try to fill the gap now. 5-minute chart. Right, there's a gap here on the 5-minute. May try to fill it.
$10,000 tick trap.
Kelly, welcome, welcome, welcome. It might be H4 setup, but I'm just sitting on my pause at this point. Higher low, maybe interested in the higher low. I don't know. Trading range is still intact, but this looks like it's kind of dripping. Plus a big gap underneath on the 5-minute. Come back into the trading range, maybe. Down $95, pandas. It's not the end of the world. We're coming back up into the trading range as I expected. As I suspected, just the timing was off. And my stop loss, I think, was just too small. It's too small. I need a bigger stop loss. H4 setup ends up being good. Okay, 10 o'clock. Jackson Hole. Oh, sorry. 10 o'clock actually had news. That's the revised U of M consumer sentiment. And then Jerome Powell will speak at 10:05. Okay. Tries to get to the top of the trading range. It's wacky. It's really wacky. I don't know. Maybe I don't know. Trading range still looks pretty strong. Hugh, the Jackson Hole synopsium. Let me Google that for you. The Federal Reserve Bank of Kansas City hosts dozens of central bankers, policymakers, academics, and economists from around the world at its annual economic policy synopsium in Jackson Hole, Wyoming. So, basically a bunch of rich people getting together, talk about rich things. A lot of influential people there, for certain. Okay, bottom of the trading range, back to the top of the trading range. Can I scalp some free money here? Back to the top. The risk is large, though. Going back to the top of the trading range, as suspected. Yeah.
10,000 tick
I'm
trap.
guessing my risk wasn't big enough. Ooh, hello. Hello. Excuse me. Excuse me. What is happening here? Okay. Okay. This is wacky. I'm just gonna buy. Okay. Okay, this is wacky right now. I just want to buy. I'll wait for a setup, I guess. Wow. I mean, trading range. Woo! Don't know. Don't know what's happening. I guess you just buy anywhere, make money. It got a little crazy here, but no setups. I don't know, pandas. We got second entry long forming. He looks confused. The market looks ultimately confused here. Jerome Powell speak about 10 seconds. Wowzers. I mean, this is very, very volatile. I don't know what to do. Oh, this trading range is so strong. It's coming back into the trading range. Even if this huge move up, it's right back in the trading range. I feel like I gotta respect that. Gotta respect the trading range while it's here. I think a failed trap, I guess. Back to the top of the trading range. Bottom trading range back to the top of the trading range. Okay. I hate trading ranges. I guess I should just keep selling up here, buying down here. That's the plan. Jerome Powell is speaking now. I have no idea what he's saying though. Lower high created. Huh. What in the world's happening? Okay, trap trade works out for you actually here. It's a funky trap, but it is a trap. Okay, are we gonna try to fill the gap now? Or are we gonna stay in the trading range? It's very confusing. Whoa. I feel like I reload my historical. Something's weird happening here. Huh. I mean, technically we should be trading for a long trade here, I guess. Looking for a long trade somewhere here. This is a bad trade. I already know it. It's not a trade I normally take if I go long here. Jeez. Alright, pushing down. Very strong now. I don't know, Pandas. I don't know. No setups here whatsoever. So I'm not missing anything just because there's no setups, but obviously I'd like to capture some of these swings. My best bet is to go long here because of so many reversals. Second entry short? Pandas, I have no idea. We're clearly underneath the 20 EMA now on the 5-minute chart. Matthew Dawes says, I'm done for today. Lost enough money. My eval so close to being busted. Thankfully, I only paid 15 bucks for it. Yep. That's the beauty of Apex. Imagine if you traded your own money, you would have lost $2,000. Okay, got another push down here. How do I feel about this downtrend? I mean, definitely not here. It's tight downtrend, though. I don't know. I don't feel comfortable taking that short. I'm curious to see if the market already made a decision on the direction it wants to go. Okay, second entry short, possibly, quite possibly, maybe, possibly. Second entry short. It's getting choppy right here. Sitting on my paws. You don't have to take a trade, pandas. Remember, you do not have to take a trade. With a good signal bar, no. I actually would probably look for a trap here at this point. Actually, a good signal bar. Be tempted to go short. But usually when you break out of trading ranges like this and have a second entry short like this, like, it's usually bad news. It's usually bad news. It usually comes back into the trading range. We don't even get the trap trade if we wanted to take it. It's traps on its own. I guess in a sense that's nice because we don't have any decisions to make. The decision is easy, which is no decision at all. That's the easiest decision ever. Strong bear bar, but no follow through. I guess I gotta take the trap here. I don't know. Trap? I'll take it. I mean, we're above the 20 MA. I can't take the short. Might as well take the trap. Nothing's happening. No setups. When there's no setups, you don't do anything. Okay, trap trade here possibly, but now it's, I don't know if I like it anymore. The risk is quite large. I don't know. I don't know what to make of this. Second entry short does trigger here. Ugh. I guess. Oh my god. What the? That. Whoa. This bar is huge. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Basically 6-point risk. I'm not willing to risk that. 6.5 point risk. I'm not willing to risk that. For a sus trade. I don't know. I don't think I can take that. Inside bar. Trap does trigger. So sussy. Super sus. Fantastic. Jeez. Alright. Pushing up. Immediately scalps you out, actually. Jeez. Man, what the heck? That risk is huge. I don't know if I can take that kind of risk. I may just have to go long. The market had its chance to go short and missed it. Still choppy, still trading range. It makes sense to go long here. That risk is huge though. It's more than I'm willing to take. Virtually no retracement either. Big push up. Has the market decided where it wanted to go? This looks very strong. Jerome Powell must be saying, I'm ready to lower interest rates and just pump up the market. Turn on the printing machines. What if he's literally just the entire speech at Jackson Hole, he's just going brrr. He's just saying that the whole time. He's like, you know what my plan is? Brrr. That's all he does. That's what he's doing right now. What is going on? I mean, we're still in a trading range. Very difficult to trade this because you're wondering, you know, essentially what we're getting here, pandas, is the worst setup you can possibly find in this expansion pattern. That's what's happening right now. Lower lows, higher highs. Caliber just got number 20. Let's go, baby. Hey, you're maxed out. Congratulations. Now the question is, gotta keep those accounts alive. That's the plan. Huge bull bar on the 5-minute chart, ending near its high, and now we're getting follow through. This isn't always in long trade. I mean, think about the amount of risk you're taking if you take any of these trades. If you buy here, this is your risk. I know it's unbelievable to think that, but that is your risk. If you buy here, expanding pattern. I hate expanding patterns. It's the most dreaded setup. Actually, maybe this is better. This makes more sense, pandas, I think. Yeah? That makes more sense. This makes a little more sense to me. Something like this. Okay? Just ripping through it. Who cares? And this is why expanding patterns suck, because when you get to this point, you're wondering, are we going to bounce off of this? Or, you know, this looks like a strong uptrend. Let's just go with the trend. But you have this huge expanding pattern. This possibly could reverse here. I've seen markets do crazier things, and I'm just not buying here. No way. Look how far away we are from a 20 minute. Just no setups. The only setup we had potential is right here. But I mean, you're basically have to risk about 7 points just to take this trade. Was I willing to take that? No, obviously not, because I'm not in the trade. But man, I mean, I don't know. I don't know. Expanding pattern breaking here. It's insane. Absolutely insane. At some point, you just need to buy somewhere. The daily chart. This is just crazy. It's absolutely insane right now. I can't. There's no words to explain how crazy this is. How impossible it is to trade this right now. I mean, I guess I could just buy anywhere. I might buy at the end of this 5 minute bar, but by then it might already be way overextended. Powell said rates will remain the same. He really said that. That's nice. That's good to know. I mean, with the expanding pattern, anything can happen. Like, we can reverse all the way back down here. No problem. Like, no problem with the expanding pattern. This can happen. This is why I hate expanding patterns. Because by the time, like, you're like, oh, yes, nice, second entry long, let's get it near the 20 MA. I mean, at this point, this downtrend is strong enough where you need a new low. You cannot trade this on its own. What is going... Is Jerome Powell just... Did he just fake us all out? Gotta keep interest rates the same? Unless I want to change them. Keep the interest rates the same. Unless I don't feel like it anymore. That's... Oh my god. Look at this 5 minute candle. What in the world is that? Now we're beneath the 20 MA. I mean, you're thinking that this is just a strong bull trend, but this is why expanding patterns are terrible. I hate expanding patterns. Like, now I gotta go short. I gotta find a short trade. I can't even enter short here. Not even one setup the entire time here. Goodness gracious, what is this? Lawrence says Powell must have 20 Apex accounts. He has 20 300K accounts. Trading 35 max contracts on all of them right now. Actually, the whole US economy is just a one big Apex account. Oh my god, I cannot enter here, pandas. Literally no entries. It's just a straight shot down. This is a definition of an A top. A top here. V bottom, A top. How do you trade this? I really cannot. That is insane. It's actually insane. That's why expanding patterns, you thought, oh, look at this, it's just going to be uptrend day all day, but you missed expanding pattern. And now look at this. Oh my god. It's actually insane. A lower high. I should have taken that lower high, huh? Jeez, I got no setups though. I want to set up. I'm being patient here, pandas. Give me one single setup and I'll take it. Sure. Psych. Give me a second to short. Darn it. You know, sometimes you just gotta take the risk. Overall, good skip, whatever. Bouncing off the 240 SMA here perfectly. Absolutely insane move. I mean, you thought this was crazy? The bears are like, whoa, watch this. Oh my god. That's insane. Second engine short, I guess. I'll take that. This could be like some crazy version of a break a trend to new low. I don't know. Maybe. You guys need more 90% off. I told you guys, you got to stock up on the BBM 90s while they're good. Because who knows how long it will be until you get the next promo, truly. Johnny said, I stocked up Blue them. Oh gosh, all right. Touche. I don't know. I mean, the thing is, the moment I find out, I'll let you know. That's for certain. Second entry short, but it's ugly. And it makes a scalp immediately. Ugliest second entry short you could possibly imagine. And it scalps out. Amazing. This is absolutely amazing here. What am I supposed to do? What am I supposed to do with that? I don't know if I can even take Big Mama with this expanding pattern in the way. Sorry, it says 1,300 on my account and 700 on funded account. Let's go, baby. Congratulations. Victor asked, do you still get paid after a payout is approved, but you blow your account? Yes. Yes. As long as they take the money out. Kyle Lieber says, all done for today. Past two evals, 7,008 in the PA. Whoa. Train in playback using his strategies. Keep it current, everyone. Thanks for the life-changing. Let's go, baby. 7,000 in the PAs. Let's go, baby. That's what I'm talking about. That's absolutely insane. That's actually insane. Congratulations. I mean, that's life-changing money. What can you say? Right now, I'm making a solid negative $95 per day. It's a great goal to reach. I have no idea what's happening, pandas. I actually have no idea what's happening. I don't know what to do here. Do I go short here? Should I just go short? No, I can't. I cannot. I truly cannot just take that short. It's so far away from 20 MA. Just one time you want to see you skip it, and it was a good skip. And then finally, when you say, fine, I won't skip it, I'll take it. It freaking takes you out, stops you out. Here, this might be a good skip. Might have a second entry short here. But they got break a trend to new low. Could actually lead to a reversal here, especially in the super reversally market. Right, this market's all about reversals. Gotta look for reversal around every corner here. Do you see as is there coupon? Yes, bottom right. If you look in the HUD, BBN 20% off. Ooh, outside bar reversal again. Ugly second entry short. You gotta skip it. You gotta skip it. Even if it works out, you just gotta skip it and cry in the corner. Just cry. No FOMO, no hobo. All right, pandas. No FOMO, no hobo. Oh my god, but that's annoying, right? You skipping all of these terrible setups and they're working out in your favor. That's almost feels as bad as entering a trade and losing it. Almost. Not as bad, but almost as bad. This is horrendous. I cannot take this trade. Cannot take any trades here. Expanding pattern. By the time it gets to Big Mom, I don't know if it'll even work. Replicanto is the trade copier of choice, by the way. And they earned it. They earned it. It is far superior. It is actually very good. I actually really like it. Okay. Lou says, I'm learning to remember my long-term goals in the moment helps a lot with FOMO. What helps me a lot is cool phrases like no FOMO, no hobo. That's what helps me. Just keep repeating that to myself. No FOMO, no hobo. Dumb. Thanks for subscribing. You're a real one. All right, what's going on here? Second entry short. This time actually probably is a good setup, and this is the one that's going to fail. No FOMO, no hobo. If I say that 10 times fast, I may accidentally say something else. No FOMO, no hobo, no FOMO, no hobo, no FOMO, no hobo, no FOMO, no hobo. Scary. Second entry short. For certain will stop me out if I take this one. For sure it will take me out. For sure it will take me out. Bad signal bar. I'm skipping because of bad signal bar, and that's it. But for sure this is going to reverse. I was going to take this one. But I'm skipping because of the bad signal bar. For sure this one will reverse. Perfect scalp. Oh. Possibly a good skip here. Oh, good skip. Maybe not. Too early to say. Oh my god. It makes a perfect scalp though, so you might be able to get out there. Oh, good skip. Amazing. I skipped like 5 of them and finally one skip actually works out. That's gonna double trap here. Sitting on my paws. Sitting on my paws here. Not eager for anything right now. Just relaxing. Relax, everybody. Relax. Just relax. That failed trap actually finally stops you out and then finally goes the way you want it to. That is so frustrating. Very frustrating if you're in that short trade there and you got stopped out and then finally goes its way. Stopped out by 2 ticks. Ouch. I mean, I'm eyeing Big Mama, but even Big Mama seems super sus right now. No FOMO, no hobo. Wow. Lower high setup. Amazing. This is one of the days you just stare at the market and just be amazed at how insane the price action can be at any point in time. This is like random mode. Like, I feel like we're in random mode right now. That lower high. Oh, another second entry short, pandas. Again, probably gonna fail. I'll probably take the trap here, no? Does that make sense? Take the trap here? Ooh. I mean, it's a good signal bar, actually. It doesn't make sense to take the trap because you're underneath the 20 MA. You're about to fill the gap on the 5-minute chart as well. But don't get married to any premise here. Okay. It's weird. It's a weird trade. It's certainly a weird trade, in my opinion. Wowzers. Alright, I'm skipping it. Whatever. Disappointed in that trade if you're going to take it. Got a failed trap here. Still not interested. Getting so choppy. Very choppy. Might be interesting going long here. Okay, outside bar reversal. Skip it. Skip it. Outside bar reversal actually traps you out right there. Amazing. Sick. It's just sick. So sick. That's so sick. So sick right now. Sitting on my paws. No idea what's happening. This is wacky. This is really wacky. It's congestion. Just sitting on your paws. Nothing to do here. Nasty. So sick. BPCF Gaming asks, when you enter trades with your hotkeys, you set it up where the limit order goes onto the chart's X amount of points away from the price? Yes. If you want to know my setups, you can go to my channel and just search NinjaTrader settings, and then there's a portion in that video of hotkeys, how I go over my hotkeys. This is wacky. I can't trade this. Absolutely cannot trade this right now. But I do about 4 points away. So if I put my order in right now, the market's right here. If I put it here, it's about 4 points away. 1, 2, 3, 4 points away. That usually is enough for me. I have been bit by that before. Like, I just like put my order up like far enough away so I can just drag it to where I need to drag. And it has gotten me before. Like, the market just like blasted and just entered the trade. And I was like, oh my. It has happened. So just do whatever you feel comfortable with. I just do 4 points. I think that's enough, but you want to balance, right? You don't want too far away because then you have to go pretty far to drag it. You also don't want it too close so it accidentally gets triggered. You need to find that balance. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh, I'll take this trade, whatever. In this trade. You don't like that tail at all. I don't like that tail at all. I don't like that tail at all. Trying to skunk this. Darn it. Darn it. It's reversing right on me. He got me. What can you do? I didn't like that tail at all. I tried to skunk it along the way up. Oh, but look at what we have here. Yikes, that's gonna get me, huh? Ah, I chanced it. I chanced it. What can you do? It's gonna get me. Big time. Darn. Might be a big reversal here as well. I might as well just skunk it. And it gives me some slippage too. Super frustrating. I'm gonna enter one more trade here. I'm gonna take a trap trade here if we get it. Second entry short. Take a trap trade. If we get it. Double position. I'm gonna swing it hard.
$10,000 tick trap.
Wow, that's far. That's quite a trap now. I don't know if I like this trap anymore. Ooh, it looks ugly. Let's try. Pandas can dream. In this trade. This doesn't feel right. This doesn't feel right at all. Feels very right. Oh. Oh, pandas. I mean, you win some, you lose some. Down to 87 today. It's not the best day. Just a crazy day, huh? Just crazy price action. I took the 3.5 points. Why? I don't know. It just felt right. I took 3.5 points there. I think I based it basically off the 10,000 tick chart. Make sure we have enough room to the 20 EMA here. Jeez. I mean, the reason why I want to take that reversal is because of how bad this reversed off of the previous day's close. So I felt like, all right, I mean, if you're going to bounce off a support, might as well take the trap off of it. Trap was nice for 3.5 points with 2 contracts. I will attempt this again, though. I will attempt this again. Same place. I took this trade. Now this would be my last trade of the stream. Let's hope we get some bamboo. In this trade again. Same risk reward. Maybe we can swing this here. I'll try. It could be a double bottom as well. It could reverse here again. It could do that. I mean, high chance it could do that. Why not? My point is not to really end green. My point is to stick to the plan. Okay. Taps off my entry here. Keeps touching it. Keeps tickling it. Keeps tickling it. Stop it. Stop tickling me. Come on. Just fill me. Ah. What the heck? What just happened, pandas? Did we just go back into the future? What in the world was that? Did anyone see that? We went back into the future for some reason. It filled me like way later. I'll take it. I'll take it. We got a slight runner here, pandas. I don't think we're gonna get much further, are we? Pandas can dream. Pandas can dream. Super Saiyan. I'm trying to turn the fire off. Right? Super Saiyan. Oh gosh. Yeah. Woo! Triggering Big Mama here now. Big Mama triggered. Hopefully we can get the Big Mama here. Oh, come on. Come on. Come on. A little bit more. I will enter short again. If this pops up here and gives me a trap, I will enter short. Let's go, baby. And that is how you do it, pandas. That is how you do it. Stick to the plan. Let's go, baby. Oh my god. Pandas. We're up 2,095. Pandas, we're only $100 away. We're less than $100. Sorry, less than $500 away, about $400 away till we can withdraw from these accounts. Pandas! Pandas! Oh my god. Took that trap trade and then took this reversal again. Pandas. Whoo! Let's go, baby. Patrol and Big Mama. Nice. Congratulations. 5 minute. That's a 5 minute Big Mama. That's why I took that trade. I took the first time, failed, and the second time I took it. Keeps going down though. I could have held it for an even bigger runner. Let's go, baby. Pandas. I mean, I'm feeling good right now. Feels great. Feels absolutely amazing right now. What a way to enter into the weekend. We're up 229. Guess what? We're at a new threshold, pandas. Right, the threshold now is, well, I can't even calculate that. Wow, what's this threshold right now? Wow, I could have held that, pandas, for an even bigger runner. Oh my god, I was just happy with what I had though. For some reason, I'm missing like $100 of threshold. I do not know why. But okay. Whatever. Maybe the highest my account balance has ever been. I still haven't reached it. No matter, Pandas. This market's crazy though. Absolutely insane. Nasty, nasty market. Whoo! I'll take it. I'll take it. I'll take it. And this is what I was scared about. This is why I wanted to just take the big mo. I didn't want to run it more because I was scared of this expanding pattern. Like I said, Pandas, you think this was crazy, but the expanding pattern, honestly, I was not surprised it comes all the way back down here. It's just a possibility, a great possibility in expanding patterns. That's why I hate expanding patterns. You just don't know. You just don't know. Pandas, what a trade. What a trade here. What a sequence of trades. I'll take it though. I'll take it. I'll take it. Beautiful. I will take it. Pandas. Got that bamboo. I mean, we're on day 8 right now. Day 8 and we are up. We're up $10,000 in 8 days, Pandas. Does anyone do anything in their work that they can make $10,000 in 8 days? $10,000, 8 days. Please, please tell me what you do if you do that. Oh, sorry, I calculated that wrong. I calculated that wrong. I'm tripping. I'm tripping. I got that. $8,000, Pandas. $8,351. Does anyone make $8,351 in 8 days? Can anyone do that? Does anyone do that? Get that ICT out of here. No one cares about ICT. That stuff is fake. He's not verified. You are watching the only verified trader that's profitable on YouTube. The most profitable trader on YouTube, verified. You are watching the most... I may go back to it. I may go back to the troll thumbnail. The most profitable trader on YouTube, verified. I may go back to it. I mean, what can I say? What can I say? He says, I'm no Will Hunting, but pretty sure it's around 8K. You guys got me. All right, you got me. Iron Chris says, I made 12K in 5 days before. I'm a lineman fixing power lines. It was during hurricane work. That's crazy. That's crazy. Thanks for doing that for us. But that's wild. I mean, yeah, that sounds dangerous, but hey, Iron Cruz, man, you got the skills. You got the skills that kills. All right, Pandas, hey. We did amazing today. We stayed patient. We stayed patient. I got punched a couple times. I'm not gonna lie. I got punched here. I got punched in the gut. But you know what? I countered and I made that money back up. Plus more with the Big Mama and Runner. So Pandas, hey, we're doing great. Stick to the plan. Right now, what we're averaging per day. I always use this example, right? We're averaging $250 per day on one single account. And remember, Pandas, I'm trading like 1 to 2 contracts. I'm barely trading. I'm just trying to stay consistent as possible. And with that pace, you can basically, like I always use example of 4 accounts of $100 per day, and you can make 6 figures at the end of the year. So I mean, as long as I'm above $100 per day, then we can keep to that pace. Iron Crew says I'm a 4-man now. I mean, that's probably really nice. All right, pandas. Hey, pandas can dream. I had a dream. I had a dream. Pandas. Pandas, we're doing great. We're doing great. Life-changing money series. I hope you guys are enjoying it. All right, pandas. I'll see you guys bright and early on Monday. Have an amazing weekend, everybody. Do whatever you can to refresh that mind, renew, rejuvenate, refocus, rebirth, whatever it is. Whatever you need to do in order to come back Monday even better. And I'll see you guys then. All right, pandas. Have an amazing weekend. I'll see you bright and early. 9 o'clock for the pre-market show on Monday, 9:15 for the mainstream. And, yeah. Trade safe, everyone. And as always, happy trading. God bless. Bye.